Boss Henry.
Good morning, South Luzon. Kanina na-realize ko, mas powerful pala si Jojo. Kasi hindi pa nagsasalita, tumayo na kagad lahat. Salamat, Brother Jojo. Okay, good morning, South Luzon. Ako nga pala po si Henry Hernandez from Sales Training. From Sales Training. And I'm back sa South Luzon as your passee for 2012 South Luzon Team Building. Gusto ko lang po ipakilala yung Sales Training Group o yung tawag natin Sales Training and Development Management. Unahin natin kay DJ Santa Ana. And then yung ating mga technical trainer, si TJ King at si Manny Padrena. Ito, busy pa. At para sa ating sales trainer, mga partners ko, si Miss Yogi Limpoco. At si Miss Sana Sadi. At syempre, hindi pwedeng kalimutan yung aming boss. Aming pong boss from North Luzon. Dati po siyang area manager ng North Luzon ngayon, manager ng STDM, Miss Ona Medina. So, can you help me para ma-discuss natin yung mechanics? General lang po ng ating team building mechanics.